Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder clip for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on the 11th of April 2023. We did a lady spin bounce, a short comb duck push spin, a first move sabotage return, sometimes called a sabotage turn, and a shoulder roll. Now if you need teaching information for any of those moves, there are links to the teaching clips for each of them in the description below, and we'll show you how everything went together now. So we started off with the lady spin bounce, so it was right to right and went 7 and 8. Back, prepare, spin, slow down, speed up, right to right for the short comb. We go comb, duck, push, first move left hand in, twist, twist, sabotage, return, shoulder roll, and back to the right hand, set you up to go back into the lady spin bounce. Hope you find that useful. Do like, subscribe and hit the bell. Big thank you to everyone who does subscribe and put likes on the videos and stuff, because that all helps promote the channel and hopefully dancing generally. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Any questions, just pop them in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer them. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.